Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn with Confidence, the place where we make learning English both fun and easy. In today's video, we're going to cover some essential English phrases for shopping so you can shop like a pro. Whether you're at a mall, a grocery store, or shopping online, these phrases will help you communicate with ease. Let's dive in and get started. 1. Greeting and entering the store. When you enter a store, it's nice to greet the staff. Here are a few phrases you can use. Hello, how are you today? A friendly way to greet someone at the store. Good morning, afternoon. A polite greeting based on the time of day. Is this the right place for item? Ask this if you're looking for something specific. I'm just looking, thank you. A polite way to let staff know you're not ready to buy yet. These greetings set a positive tone for your shopping experience. 2. Asking about products. When you're shopping, you'll often need to ask about items. Here are some helpful phrases. How much is this? A simple way to ask about the price. Do you have this in a different color size? Use this when you're looking for variety. Where can I find product? A good phrase to ask where specific items are located. Is this on sale? Ask this if you're looking for discounts. Can I try this on? Perfect when you want to try clothes or accessories. Asking about products ensures you get exactly what you're looking for. 3. Checking the price. It's important to know how to talk about prices when shopping. Here are some key phrases. How much does this cost? Another way to ask about the price. Is there a discount on this? Ask this to see if there are any special offers. Can you give me a better price? A polite way to ask for a discount, especially in markets or shops where haggling is common. What's the total? Ask this when you're ready to pay for your items. Knowing how to discuss prices will help you budget and get the best deals. 4. Making a purchase. Once you've found what you want to buy, it's time to complete the purchase. Here's what you can say. I'll take this, please. A clear way to let the cashier know you to buy the item. Can I pay by card? Use this if you want to pay using a credit or debit card. Do you accept cash? Ask this if you're paying with cash. Could you wrap this for me? A good phrase if you want your item gift wrapped. Can I get a receipt? A polite request for a receipt after you pay. These phrases will help you complete your purchases smoothly. 5. Asking for assistance. Sometimes you may need help while shopping. Here are some ways to ask for assistance. Excuse me, can you help me find item? A polite way to ask for help locating something. I'm looking for a gift. Can you suggest something? If you're shopping for a special occasion, do you have this in stock? Ask this if you're not sure if the item is available. Can you check if there are any more in the back? Use this if you want to know if more of a product is available. Asking for assistance ensures you get the help you need while shopping. 6. Returning or exchanging items. If you need to return or exchange something, it's helpful to know these phrases. I'd like to return this, please. A polite way to begin a return. Can I exchange this for a different size, color? Ask this if you want to swap an item for a different version. The item is damaged. Can I get a refund? A phrase to use when you've purchased something defective. I changed my mind. Can I return this? A simple phrase when you no longer want the item. Knowing how to handle returns and exchanges is important to avoid any issues when shopping. 7. Saying goodbye. Once your shopping is complete, here are some polite ways to say goodbye. Thank you for your help. A polite way to show appreciation for assistance. Have a nice day. A friendly and common way to say goodbye. I'll be back soon. Let the store staff know you plan to return. Take care. A casual, friendly way to say goodbye. Ending your shopping experience on a positive note leaves a good impression. 8. Shopping online. And of course, if you're shopping online, there are some key phrases to know. I want to place an order. A phrase for when you're ready to buy online. Is this available for delivery? Ask this when you want to know if the product can be shipped to your address. Can I track my order? A question to ask if you want to follow your purchase. When will my order arrive? A way to inquire about the delivery time. These phrases will help you make online shopping easier and more efficient. And that's it for today's video on English phrases for shopping like a pro. By using these phrases, you'll be ready to shop confidently and communicate effectively in any store or online. Whether you're looking for the best deals, asking for help, or completing a purchase, you'll be speaking like a pro in no time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful English lessons. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy shopping, and bye for now.